I'm here to unbox and do a swatch of the new 3CE Shopee limited edition kit. 3CE, for those of you who don't know, is a South Korean makeup brand that is inspired by the vibes of the Seoul city. And I'm also going to be doing swatches and also doing my makeup together with it. So first impressions plus reviews plus swatches and demonstration. Let's go! So first you have this little sleeve over here that is so beautifully designed in a baby peachy pink shade, and you also have your 3CE logo over here. So you get 5 items in here and a pouch. So I'm gonna unbox them all together and be right back. Okay, so in this set we have a cute little pouch in the same peachy baby pink shade, and this one is see-through. It's also really flat, so I think it's really nice and convenient to just see all of your things at once. A handheld mirror that comes in very handy when you're doing your makeup because you can see yourself super close up. This eyeshadow palette, this one is the multi-eye color palette in Delightful. So it has a ton of shimmer. There are 9 shades where they're mostly baby pinks and mauve. Most of them are glitter, super high shine glitter, extremely pigmented. These 2 pinks over here, they don't have that much glitter in them, they just have a tiny bit of shimmer. So you get 2 soft matte lipsticks, one of it is in Smoke Pink and another one is in Speak to Me. And I really love the formulation of it, extremely pigmented. It's also really nice and soft. Come in 2 cute little see-through packaging like this. I feel like the entire branding is extremely on point. They're super cute and very pretty. You also get a blusher, and this one is the 3CE Blush Blusher in the shade Last Time. So this one is a nice mauvey pink shade that comes with a brush. Let's get started with the makeup. I already got my base makeup done, including my brows as well. So now I'm just gonna go right in with this eyeshadow palette. So the first shade that I'm gonna use is this baby pink shade, and I'm gonna sweep it all across my eyelids. Next up, I'm gonna build up the color with this shade. I'm taking this shade over here, this pink glitter shimmer, and applying right in the center of the eyelid. Then taking this shade over here, I'm just gonna apply it in the inner corners. Next up, I'm gonna apply eyeliner. Right now, I'm gonna try the blush. This one is such a beautiful shade, and this little brush over here, it's quite a good size, and the bristles are quite nice and dense. I think the brush is actually really good quality. I like it that it's already in here and it fits nicely, so you don't actually have to bring a separate one. So beautiful. Alright, now time for the lips. I'm gonna be choosing Smoke Pink today because my eye makeup is very pink. So this shade is ultra gorgeous. Well, I love it! As you can see, my lip lines are not gone, but they're not accentuated. This soft matte finish is actually really nice and powdery. You can feel the quality of the lipstick just by applying it, using your fingers, by spreading it. It actually gives you a very like stained, natural lip color kind of look. It doesn't look like you have a layer of thick lipstick over your lips, and that's what I really like about it. I'm gonna apply some on my cheeks. I think this color would look really nice as a cheek color. Alright, this is the final look that I created using the 3CE Shopee 11/11 special collaboration kit. You guys can now get this kit at 15% off. Don't forget to check out the description box below. I've linked everything there, including where and how you can get this set. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!